gorgeous. Right view there. It's absolutely gorgeous. Hello! Today is a gorgeous day of the 21st of November and we're hiking towards Coniston Old Man. So many times we've been here and so many times the weather was crap. We couldn't see anything. One year we came and it was a blizzard storm. We couldn't even find the top. So hopefully today we'll find it. Come on, let's go!
We went anti-clockwise to Levis Water, then Dow Crag, and then Old Man of Coniston, and back to the Coniston village.
I love this place! The Russell's go into some hole in the ground to this little cave. Where are you, Russell? You going in? I never noticed that before. This cave. You scared me. It's cool. It goes quite far in, doesn't it? Oh, so wet. You need a torch. I've got a head torch. Do you want a head torch?
We're here at Coniston Old Man. What you see here is a very famous waterfall. It's called Headline. That is because thousands and thousands of years ago, when settlers came here, they looked up at this waterfall and they couldn't see its origin. And they truly believed it was God's pee. Right? Completely true story. And that is why it's called Headline. It's heaven's urine. Headline.
Is it true?
True story.
Where did you read that? There you go. There's a legendary story about this waterfall. That's the top of the waterfall.
Here's my wife trying to cross the stream. Everyone stay tuned for the moment she falls in. Oh, let's go jump. Don't fall. That was very, very agile and flexible. So we reached the top of Headline, and the settlers, when they came and they reached the top of this, and they realised that obviously it wasn't God's pee, but they stuck with the name and they named it Gladder. That's because it's God's bladder. It's where all of his pee was stored. You know, it made sense to them. They distributed on down the valley.
And then the brilliant. Just random scrambling path. Come on, you can do it.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
You can. You can.
I can't.
Okay. See, I told you you could do it.
That's because I B&Q it.
Not long left, Russell. Come on. We can do it.
I can see your bunda.
Well, we did a little bit of a diversion. We didn't go straight to the Old Man of Coniston, we came to Dow Crag, but I'm glad we did because it's very beautiful. And then I would have never come here just for a day out, so I'm glad we did that. That's where we came from that Dow Crag. We confused the mountains thinking that was Old Man of Coniston, but it wasn't. And now, as we drop down to so now we're going towards the just there. Sorry. Proper slate mine. Russell, take Rocky. Love them. I love this bit. It says 30, 40, 1950. Oh, the Smeedy Bank. Like this bridge, Newdale Road. On this bridge, that way is all the stuff.